want to. Hey guys, so today I am going to review an amazing piece of jewellery, and it is a continuation as such. Well, it's the same company as the company I collabed with before. So this video is a collaboration and I'm very, very grateful. And the company is called Jeulia. Now, you've heard of Jeulia before because I've done a video about the company. And honestly, guys, it's the most amazing piece of amazing artisan, I think it's called artisan jewellery, that you'll ever see. I am honestly in absolute love with it, with the company. So when they reached out to me and said, look, we'd like you to collab with we'd like you to work with us again. I was like, oh my God. So guys, before I get into the kind of jewelry, how is everyone today? Are you having an amazing day? What's everyone up to? I have just got back from shopping. Just had my nails done. What do you think, guys? Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I'm just, honestly, when I got out of the chair, I was just in utter love. They're a bit shorter. They are shorter than what I normally go for. And I've changed the shape as well because, so yeah, I'm going on holiday in a couple of weeks, guys. God, I hate this. It looks like too much. I've rubbed it off now. What's happening? So, so yes, I'm going on holiday in a couple of weeks, in about 17 days now, and I'm going to Spain. So I am obviously going to be, I won't be filming as much. I think I might put out, I don't know, maybe just a couple of videos. I'm going to do some kind of mukbangs, but not live. I'm going to do some mukbangs. Sorry, the camera's really crooked. Yeah. What do you think of my top, guys? It's so amazing, isn't it? It's Metallica and it's just amazing. I love it. It's really oversized. It's like it's a graphic tee, and I love the arms are so kind of long. I just feel really cool in it. I love this top, guys. It's from Boohoo actually. And I'm really into kind of graphic band t-shirts. I think they just make you look so amazing. I love it. And it really I love the color like it. It's kind of a charcoal black, like a tie-dye, and I love it. It's really, really nice. And obviously Metallica. I'm not a real big fan. So yeah, what was I going to say? What was I talking about? I was talking about my nails, wasn't I? And yeah, so I've got them done for my holiday. So what I'm going to do when I go away, I think I'll give you like one or two videos, and then I'll be doing kind of mukbangs when I'm out there, and I'll also be doing a vlog. I am going to be vlogging my experience, guys. I'm so excited. I really am. I can't wait to get away. We're going away for about 10 nights, I think it is, or less. I'm excited, guys. I just can't wait to get away. I can't wait. So yeah, I said to the nail lady, look, I really want, oh my God, we're on 50 minutes already. I really want my, sorry, my hair. I really want you to, I want to go shorter because I just knew that if they were, the length they weren't going to last. They just weren't going to stand. And, I'm going to be doing stuff like, going in the water and all sorts. So I want it to be kind of, sorry guys, I'm really annoyed with this top. I really just want it to be kind of, to last. I wanted my nails to last. And I really wanted to go back to oval because I think they suit me. I think they make my nails look more classy, more feminine. And I really prefer this kind of nail. They don't look as brash. I mean, the square was okay, but I thought it was just too much. I just wanted to kind of play it down, but the colour is insane. The colour is bright, isn't it, guys? Now, they look shorter on camera, but they're not. They're kind of still long. Look at them, guys. Aren't they just amazing? I love them. So, yeah. Anyway, so, yeah, what we talked about. We talked about my nails, my top. My top is boohoo. I love it. Oversized band t-shirt. And I'm just really into these kind of tops. I need to get more. Like, I just think they look so badass and cool. So, let's get on to... My lips are looking... I hate them, though. I wonder, like, I hate it when there's too much lip line on them. Let's get on to the unboxing. So, Jeulia were kind enough to send me to let me pick what I wanted, another item that I wanted. I chose a ring because I've got a lot of kind of gold jewellery. I've got earrings here. This earring keeps like going. I don't understand why that does that. Is there something wrong with this? Ugh. My nose is gold. Like, I'm really into gold. So I thought, let's pick a ring. So let's get into it. So the same thing. Now, I must say to you guys, this is a perfect idea for gifts, for kind of Christmas gifts. Like, if you really want to, if you're thinking of buying something for your loved one, for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend, just look up Jeulia. Oh, my finger's really all red because of the lipstick. So yeah, it's a perfect gift idea, especially for Christmas, for Thanksgiving. Amazing. So this is comes in this little gift box again, and it has a greetings card. And what's this? I haven't seen this. What is this? Oh my god, it's a polisher for your ring. Did I have one for the other one? This silver polishing cloth is made of high quality cotton impregnated with a silver cleaner and an anti-tarnish agent. Used as an ordinary cloth on lightly tarnished silver and silver plates, obtain a brilliant polish with a long-lasting protection against tarnish. That is cool. So you get a cloth for your ring. That is really, really neat. I'm loving that. I didn't see that for the actual on the bracelet. This is what this is. By the way, guys, can you see this candle? And I've just bought this from Bath and Body Works. And everyone's raving about it. Everyone's going crazy about it. So, oh shit, I've just burnt it out. Oh no. One sec. Oh, what have I done? Yeah. So yeah, do you like the candle? I'm loving it. It's part of the fall, it's the fall collection, and it smells amazing. It smells. Apparently, the notes are going to be what was it? Peanut butter cake, like pound cake or something. Graham cracker, like cream or something. It smells amazing, guys. It's actually making me really, really hungry. I love, love, love this candle. Anyway, let's get on to the topic. Right, so Jeulia, that's the bag. You get a booklet. I didn't know that. Oh, wow. Yes, the booklet that's got all the products in. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm going to put my bracelet that they gave to me for the... Oh my God, guys, it's just so gorgeous, isn't it? I'm really loving gold. I'm getting quite a few gold pieces now, actually. This is actually not gold. This is sterling silver, but it's kind of gold plated. It's just amazing. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So that's the bag. So let's get on to the ring. This is the ring, guys. Wow, look at this. Oh my God. What do we think to this? Isn't that amazing? I'm going to actually put the flashlight on my iPad so you can see it better. Oh, God. But here it is, guys. Oh my God, it is beautiful. Just insane, absolutely insane. And obviously you get to pick your ring size. And I wanted it to fit my middle finger. So look how, sorry, I seem to have got a little spot on there. Let's put it on this finger. How beautiful is that, guys? I mean, look, isn't it absolutely gorgeous? It's stunning, isn't it? I feel like I'm all kitted up in gold. I'm absolutely loving it. And you can see there's like you can see the stones, the kind of diamonds all the way through it, all the way through the front. It is just a stunning, stunning piece. And I just think it goes really, really well with my other ring. So I'm really, really over the moon with this collab, guys. And the fact that they gave me another kind of opportunity to showcase their beautiful products. Now, this was £99. And I'm not sure what that is converted in dollars, but I'm sure that'll be all kind of taken care of. I look really fat. I don't know why my face is huge. And I'm just over the moon with it, guys. It's just amazing. It's a perfect gift idea, like I said. And, you know, with everything together, I think it's just insane. I really, really do, guys. And, you know, if it's for someone who, it's an amazing, amazing kind of company. I mean, the shipping was so quick. It came from, I don't know where it came from. It might have been, I can't remember, but it wasn't in England, and it came in about a week. I mean, and it was just standard delivery. Just amazing, guys. I can't say more amazing things about this company. And the products are just quality. I mean, I've had the bracelet for about a month now. And it's just kept true to its kind of form. The crystals haven't fallen off. It's just been amazing. But I don't sleep with it, obviously. But because it is sterling silver, you can get it wet. And it's just, honestly, such a beautiful piece. Oh, they've even given me a greetings card. That's so cute. So I would highly recommend you purchase from this company. Thank you again, Jeulia, for sponsoring the video. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you all have an amazing, amazing, I think it's going to be Thanksgiving soon, isn't it? It's going to be, I'll be away for Thanksgiving, I think. When is Thanksgiving? Is it like the 28th or something? I could be back by then. I go on the 24th, I think I do. Oh God, I'm not certain, am I? But also, I must say that Jeulia are having a pre-Thanksgiving sale. So to get 10% off, use the code F10 to get 10% off site-wide and 25% off over $180 if you use the code C25. You have to take advantage of this amazing opportunity. There's so many things on the site. It's just endless. The possibilities are endless. So yeah, I hope you all have an amazing day. What else have I got to say to you guys? Nothing apart from the fact the weather is just so terrible. A woman is still out there. What the fuck is she doing? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all have an amazing kind of week. And I hope you like my new nails. I really do. What do you think? Sound off below. I'm sure you all will. I think it's such an amazing colour. It's so like striking, like cool. And they're like a statement. I really, really love them. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.